Number 2. Huepar Self-Leveling Green Laser Level with Magnetic Base. If you're in the market for a laser level that's perfect for outdoor use, the Huepar is the one for you. This tool casts a bright green beam that is easy to see even in bright sunlight, making it ideal for outdoor projects. It also has 2 brightness modes, which can be useful in low-light conditions. One standout feature of the Huepar is its self-leveling capability. It can level itself to within 3.5 degrees, which is more accurate than other similar models on the market. In our tests, it was right on target, delivering an accuracy of 1/9 inch within 33 feet. Another advantage of the Huepar is its durability. It passed the drop test with flying colors, showing no signs of damage or loss of function. It also comes with a magnetic pivoting base, making it easy to attach to various surfaces. The inclusion of 4 AA batteries is a nice bonus, ensuring you can start using the tool right out of the box. While the Huepar doesn't come with a tripod, it can be easily attached to any tripod with either 1/4 inch or 5/8 inch threads. If there was one small downside to this product, it would be the lack of a tripod included. However, this is a minor inconvenience compared to the many benefits this laser level offers. Overall, the Huepar is the best laser level for outdoor use. Its bright green beam, accuracy, durability, and ease of use make it a standout tool for any serious DIYer or professional. Check out the Huepar for yourself and take your outdoor projects to the next level. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.